Might want to throw out your approach flaps, and that'll get your nose down a little more stabilized.
Leesburg, traffic, twin Cessna, 612 Julia Pops on a 5 mile 45 to the downwind 35 Leesburg.
See how that kind of stabilizes things? I would really do a left base. You don't have to worry about that big push against it.
Fuel pumps coming on. Mixture rich.
A little more power. Get your gear out early so we can dance the green light. Now hit the right rudder, see what happens. Well, nope, that's all right. You got plenty of wind pushing you, so you don't have to go very long out.
Autopilot is off.
Hands on the throttles and
Leesburg, traffic, twin Cessna, 612 Julia Pops, base 35 Leesburg.
I wouldn't. It's on. You got it. Right, about 110. Just keep on flying it. You're not high. You're in good shape. You're a long ways out, so you got plenty to play with.
Leesburg, traffic, twin Cessna, 612 Julia Pops, turning final, 35, full stop, Leesburg.
You're going to get a noticeable downdraft right at the end of the trees there. So don't get on a low side here. Got plenty of runway, got plenty of wind, so stay on it. Got 3 red. 1 more and you're dead. That's it. That's good. You're in good shape here. Here's that downdraft, yeah. All right, now start slowing up a little bit. Get that nose up a little bit. And get that power back a little bit. Not much, not much. Right. Get that power off, get the power off. Easy, easy. None of this, it's not a trick.
That wasn't me.
was. You were moving back more. Very nice. See how low you got at the end, even though? Well, you don't need to do that on a day like today. High and slower. Hey! Survived.